As the month of September winds down, AI stocks appear to be winding up. But let's bring in Craig Bolanos, the co-founder and wealth advisor at VestGen. Good to see you, Craig. What's your common sense on AI stocks? Do you think we're heading for a bubble that could pop?
Well, Angela, what a popular topic, and it's definitely the soup du jour. I mean, whether it was Oracle just the other day, whether it's OpenAI or NVIDIA, it's all the talk of the town is this massive amount, hundreds and hundreds of billions of dollars pouring in to AI infrastructure. So is it a bubble? Yes. Or is it a bubble? No. Here's my thoughts on everything investors need to know. First, I remind people of this. History tends to repeat itself, and I'm hopeful and mindful that we're not living in the 1990s. I mean, the last time I saw this much capital expenditure, literally 4.5% of GDP in the United States is just artificial intelligence investment. The last time that happened was definitely in the 1990s. And I think we all remember what happened in the 90s, Angela. It took a lot longer and a lot more time for the benefits of the internet to get built out and used by all businesses. And as a result of that long glide path to adoption, all of that money in so many cases ended up being wasted.
Do you think investors should be concerned about the capital expenditures of how much money it will take to get AI going?
I think that's the entire concern. The entire concern is the amount of capital expenditure, which is directly related to the price that companies are currently paying for that capital expenditure. By in no way, means, shape, or forms am I calling an AI bubble. No, Angela, you and I have talked before that the trend is your friend, that new highs make new highs. And we're in uncharted territory right now. I do think that this time might be different, although I'm reminded that those are the four most dangerous words when it comes to investing, Angela. But I do think that there is a chance that we are going to see broader adoption of AI by non-technology businesses. And to the extent that we see all of that artificial intelligence adoption hitting the bottom line in terms of productivity per unit labor hour of work and hitting earnings per share to really grow it, then this is not going to be a false narrative. This is going to be something that is sustainable and a secular story, but you can't help but make the comparisons when the headlines are running with this pace and fever.
What would be your final tip on investing in AI?
And as long as everybody remembers that trees don't grow to the sky and you have governance around how you manage your positions, you too will be fine. But I think it is newsworthy on the backs of Oracle, OpenAI, now NVIDIA, the government investment in Intel, that everyone needs to start looking at the mass amount of capital expenditure and keep their fingers crossed that AI delivers on its proof of concept for non-technology businesses. If you want to learn more, you want to invest better, connect with us online at getretiredstayretired.com. That's getretiredstayretired.com.